Right guys, welcome to another video. So, as you've read in this title, this is going to be a giveaway. Yes, there's a 5k giveaway, but this is one from Exclusive Registrations. Shout out to Exclusive Registrations, because he is giving you guys away 3 sets of these 4D plates. They're absolutely awesome. All you've got to do to enter is like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me and Exclusive Registrations on Instagram, which is also in the description, and it's been on the screen as well. So these are fantastic plates. I've got them on all my cars. They're so clean, as you can see from here when Jack stopped being a model. You can see the actual 4D on them. I can't really get a good angle. There we go. So they're actually 4D plates. These are road legal, so you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, get entering this competition. This is basically to celebrate the 350Z build. So there should be more giveaways like this in future. Make sure you share this video, like I said, with all your friends and that. Everybody's got a chance of winning these plates. So, you know, we're going to leave it open for about a week. So get your comments in, enter. If you already follow me on Instagram, if you already follow them on... Jack, what are you doing? Right, if you already follow me on Instagram and you also follow Exclusive Registrations, you already subscribed, then you're halfway there. So just hit a comment, hit a like, share it as well. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Follow us on Instagram, and the giveaway winners will be picked on a video at random. So good luck to everybody. And Jack is back.
Hello.